Alright, so somebody asked for a video of the plasma table that I built in action, so I thought I'd make a quick introduction. This used to be a 5x10 printer, and apparently they didn't believe in preventative maintenance because they just never greased it, and they burnt up the bearings on it and just decided to get rid of it. So I got all the motion hardware from it, the gantry and ball screws and stuff, and decided to turn it into a plasma. Well, someone else decided to turn it into a plasma cutter. Then they didn't really feel like dealing with the project, so I got it all from them. And then it's got a 14-foot gantry on it. It used to be a 5x10 printer because the print head was so wide that it needed a 14-foot gantry to get 10 feet of usable space. But I left an overhang here, and I'm going to have a rotational table here eventually for it to cut on. I need to box these in and put, seals on it to keep the abrasive dust off of the screws. I got a Everlast 62i plasma cutter, and now I'm going to show you the control box, but I am not an electrical engineer, so don't laugh, okay? This is the Acorn. You may not like it, but this is what peak electrical engineering looks like. Okay, I am going to get some wireways and clean this up. I will, I promise. But I just wanted to get it running. I got those are Lead Shine 400 watt servo motors and drives. Now the Z-axis is actually controlled by a stepper motor, and the stepper driver is actually out on the Z-axis, so that the only signal we've got going down all this drag chain is the 5-volt differential signal, the pulse and direction signal. So all the high voltage pulsing is actually all out here, so that's not going down all the cable chain to generate a bunch of noise. And the noise level is actually really good for the THC. That's the T-Rex THC and the Acorn controller. Air compressor's just about got enough pressure in it. So now the first job of the plasma table is to finish cutting itself out. Of course, I'm going to cut these the side holders, the slats, the pieces that'll go here, and then that'll hold the slats. So I'm going to cut those out right now. I got it all loaded up. Let's rock. Maybe. Let's see. This is 1/4 inch, so it's going pretty slow. There you have it. She's working. I better turn the exhaust fans on.